save a lot of money by using the right size of box. Look at this example. I ordered this book and it came in this box with this packaging material. So much space that it's wasted. So before you commit to buy boxes, pay attention to the details. Pay attention to how much weight it can hold, the dimensions, and the products that you're shipping. So I'm going to show you an example of this box being shipped from Vancouver to somewhere in Montreal using these dimensions of the actual box. And then I'm going to show you an example of what could have happened if I were using a smaller box. So for this example, for the express service was $78. Now let's see if I reduce by 1 inch the width and 1 inch the height, and I leave all the rest the same. That would be a saving of about $3 for the express and over $1 for the ground service. Now let's dissect this in the Excel file. So I'm going to show you here in this spreadsheet. On the left hand side, I have the actual dimensions of that cardboard box where I had 12 inches of length, 9.5 width, and 8.5 height. I had to round it up because FedEx and UPS would always round up those numbers. And to calculate the dimensional weight, I have to use this formula. I have to multiply the length, the width, and the height, and divide it by this divisor. There's 139 for air services and 166 for ground. And that is in UPS Canada. That's the example. You can check that out in ups.com for your local, dimensional divisors. Now, that book weighed 2 pounds. That was the actual weight. But as you can see, the dimensional weight happens to be 8 or 7, depending on the service level. Now, on the right-hand side here, I have the example of what could have happened if I reduced by 1 inch the width and the height. And it really doesn't have to be the whole inch, as long as I have, after the roundup, I just end up below 1 inch on those width and height. So you would see the difference that 1 pound would make. As you can see again, this is the difference of $3 for the express service and a little bit above $1 for the ground service. So if you are an e-commerce retailer and you're running with razor thin profit margins, a difference of $3 that could go directly to your pocket could make a huge difference, right? Let's say that you're shipping 20 orders per week. If you're shipping them express, you could have saved $60, and that's pure profit. If you multiply it for the whole year, that's over $3,000 that would go directly to your pocket, right? Or over $1,000 if you're using ground service. So I hope this information helps you to make good decisions.